it's quite rewarding, and and as a photographer, a wildlife photographer, you're trying to share that with a wider audience to basically get people connected with nature and wildlife, and by connecting them with nature and wildlife, they might take action, and whether that's action by signing a petition or picking up a bit of plastic off the beach, or looking at how their impact is when they're in an environment with wildlife. Like it all lends to some sort of education and awareness, and how we can protect this natural world. The good thing about the world now is it's not such a small place to talk to people that you wouldn't have been able to before. So if I want to talk to a scientist in Italy about mudskipper fish, then it's contact that person, see if they'll talk to you, and then wow, it's just open up your world and your knowledge base and things like that. So I do a lot of like collaborations with a lot of organizations, and some are large organizations and some are just a researcher doing their PhD. So yeah, there's many aspects of how I work with the scientific community.